I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with Doordash. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the orders that I take. I've recently increased my acceptance rate, and let me tell you, I've been seeing some great offers. If you want to see some high-paying orders and you want to know how to get the best orders on Doordash, go ahead and watch this video. But before we get into it, do me a favor, hit that like button and the subscribe button. And look, I want to warn you, if you miss anything that I show you in this video, it may be the reason you don't earn more money on DoorDash. Let's get right into it. Gas real quick. Might as well. Next order on the tally, we got $6.75 for 2 miles at Chick-fil-A. And guess what? Chick-fil-A right over there. We about to pull up to that chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. Stop playing with me. And Uber Eats trying to send me an offer for $5. No sirski. We going in here and getting this Hawaiian bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First order of this little DoorDash dinner shift came in at $9.25 plus at Bella Milano. We already went in there, grabbed it, ready to go. Check it out, $9.50. It's always nice when you see a little plus sign on there starting off your shift. So hopefully this order goes up at least more than 50 cents. I mean, it's already showing me 3-to-1 miles to money ratio. So no peak pay or anything, $9.50 first order, I'll take that. And I'll tell you right now, a lot of the distance on this order is a straight shot. There we go, microphone's still good. A lot of the distance on this order is a straight shot. We're going right down the road here, staying right within my zone, right within my little bubble that I like to work when I'm using food delivery apps. Today we're gonna be doing some DoorDash and also some Uber Eats. It is Friday, so hopefully, you know, we can get some good high-paying orders. This first order is actually a nice high-pay order. I am actually very surprised that I'm getting this because I just got over 50% with my acceptance rate. And they haven't been showing me orders like this at all in the last couple weeks. So we're gonna see if this trend continues and we're gonna see how much I can maximize. Yeah, so the map was completely wrong on this one. This was not 3 miles away. This was way closer than that. Way closer than that.
Customer requested you leave the order at their door.
Yeah, no problem. I will leave that at the door.
Following instructions. Leave at my door.
Alrighty, thank you, Google. So yeah, it was a 2-minute drive, guys. This was not 3 miles. I don't know why the GPS seemed to mess that up, but hey, it's cool with me. If they want to mess up like that, I'll take that because that just means I get to hop right back out and continue getting orders. Let's go ahead and turn this camera around. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let's grab this order and get our picture. Such a great order too, guys. Great miles to money ratio. It let me know that it's gonna be more. Let me know it's gonna be worth it coming all the way over here. It says, please knock. So I will make sure I do that. All right, let's see what this order turns into. $9.50 turns into $9.75. That's okay. Like I said, still got 3-to-1 miles to money ratio. So I was gonna be taking that one in. Next order, $7.25 for 6.8. That one I will not be taking because it's taking me too far away from all these good merchants. And I'm gonna just take a chance and decline that one and hope Bella Milano dropped off. Nice, easy order. Only went up by 25 cents, but that's okay. Next order that came in directly after that was a Starbucks order. And it was perfect because it was calling me back in the direction I was already heading. That one came in at $7.25 for 4 miles. I think they threw on a peak pay, but I'm not sure if that triggered in for this order. But either way, I still would have took it. Calling me back and taking me in a direction I was already going. Nice and simple. And then Uber Eats decided to go ahead and bless me. Yes, sir. $10.27, 2.4 miles. And I'm here now at Freddy's, getting ready to run in and grab it. And DoorDash decided to hit me with another order. The peak pay did kick in. We got $1.50 peak pay for the next 2 hours. I don't have a schedule for the whole 2 hours, but the peak pay is lasting that long. Now, this is a straight up banger, guys. This order came in as a double order, right? 2 pickups at the same location. Wingstop, $19.50 for 6.9 miles. And Wingstop is right down the street, so you know I'm about to run it up. Now, I'm about to head up into Freddy's real quick and grab this one first. But man, we is multi-apping, guys, because that's going to be a $30 hour no matter how you slice it. All right, let's drop off this Uber Eats order. Delivery bag definitely comes in handy. Okay, that door opens that way, so make sure I set these drinks on this side so they don't get knocked over when they open the door. Shout out to my subscribers. One of them told me make sure I don't sit them in front of the door. All right, dropping off part 1 of this Doordash order from Wingstop. Let's see, this is the one with the drinks. Okay, that's actually better because now I can get all of these drinks out of the way and go ahead and not have to worry about them spilling. Well, still got to make it to the door though. And we made it. Now I did get another order on Uber Eats. We got $9, 2 miles, Firehouse subs. So I need to hurry up and get this order dropped off quickly. Boom, because I got one more to drop off and then we're gonna head to Firehouse subs. This is how you maximize. Now you heard it's just beeping and buzzing. Hopefully I can get an add-on for Firehouse subs too. I've been getting lots of add-ons on Uber Eats today. This one came in at $9 for 2 miles, Firehouse subs. This one an Uber Eats order. Getting consistent $9 and $10 orders on Uber Eats really helps with the earnings. Dropping off this Firehouse subs. I almost couldn't even find this. They stirs is around back. But I used my noggin and I was able to find it. Boom, front door, well, back door service. Next up, we got a Viva La Fiesta pickup and a Deerbergs pickup. I accepted it because it was a shop and deliver. It did go 12 miles away, but it was all good though because I need to get them shop and delivered so I can get that dash now. Next up, we got $8.75, 3.1 miles at Crazy Bows and Wraps, and we already here. So we finna slide up in here, see what's going on. Hopefully they got it ready because we've been having good success with orders being ready all night. And hopefully they got this one ready. We keep them wheels rolling. It was ready to go. That's just how I like it. Let's drop this order off. Look like the DoorDash app might be glitching a little bit tonight, but it's all good though. I was able to check in for this order. Now we just gotta get it dropped off. And as you can see, it's getting dark, but the money not stopping, so we not either. Set that there. We got $7.75 for 1.9 miles. Still got $1.50 peak pay going, so I'm taking advantage of it. Now, even without the peak pay, this order still would have came in at $6.25. Now, it don't have a plus sign, but I'm okay with that because it's still a great order. We already sitting at 50 bucks on the day on Uber. Even before I started this dash, I was already over 100 bucks on the day. So we actually doing pretty good now. I don't know if I'm quite at 200 on the day, but I'd wager that I'm pretty darn close. Let's go ahead and grab this order. See if they got any bags ready. Nope. Dropping off that Firehouse subs. Easy order. Only 1 mile away, so it's perfect. Boom. Next order on the tally, we got $6.75 for 2 miles at Chick-fil-A. And guess what? Chick-fil-A right over there. We about to pull up to that chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. Stop playing with me. Keeping my wheels rolling on this one. Making good money, getting 3 to 4 orders done per hour. This is how you maximize. Now, if this light go ahead and change, we can keep it moving. I'm FDA, fastest dasher alive. Greatest dasher on the whole planet. Let's go. Chick-fil-A order, ready to go. This one is going 2 miles down the road. Perfect. Next order, we got $9.75, 3.8 miles at Hawaiian Bros. Let's go. Them my bros at Hawaiian Bros. And guess what? We here already. Uber Eats trying to send me an offer for $5. No sirski. We going in here and getting this Hawaiian Bros. Orders keep coming in. I'm gonna keep on doing them. We got $8.75 for 4.5. Now it is still $1.50 peak pay, so that's not quite 2 to 1 miles to money. But when I'm already here, I can't complain. The order ready to go. This is easy money. You pick it up, you drop it off. Oh, time to get a little bit of gas. I did fill up over in St. Louis, but I done made all that money back after filling up. So I figured why not go ahead and top off the gas real quick. Might as well. Or at least put like 10, 11 bucks up in here. If I can get 10, 11 bucks in there, I'll be. This is $3.78 over here in Illinois. I got it earlier for $3.36. But I just want to fill it back up, see if I can do that with 11. And then on Uber Eats, we got $20 even, guys, a $9 order and a $12 order. Then over here on DoorDash, we got a $41.75, a $26, and a $36.50, bringing our total over here on DoorDash to a whopping $103. And then on Uber Eats, we got 20. So that's like 123. We've been out for 4 hours. Let's get it. That's how I like to maximize. So look, if you made it this far in the video, you the real MVP. You see, I just put 11 bucks in the gas tank, filled it back up. We ready. We got a full tank of gas ready to go for tomorrow. I think I actually made about over 200 today altogether because I did 120 right now. We did 90 earlier on DoorDash. That's 210 right there. Then I did 50 bucks earlier on Uber Eats. So yeah, that's 260 bucks all in one day, all with food delivery, all while maximizing, all because I'm an FDA, the greatest dasher on the planet. Stop playing with me. If you made it this far, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and go ahead and check out one of these recommended videos so we can run it up, and I'll catch you in the next one.